forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.
Hey friend Ben, happy Easter. I hope you're doing fantastic. Why does my voice sound thick? Anyway, I hope you're doing fantastic and I hope you've gone to church today, which is Easter. I'm hoping I'm posting this video on Easter day because I'm filming this video on Easter day. So for you babes in the US and the UK, anyway, yeah. If you didn't go to church for some reason, just search Pastor Stephen Furtick's sermon. There are different other sermons you can search on YouTube, okay? And if you have Apple Podcasts, go and search their podcast on Apple Podcasts, okay? Just listen to it and get your life, okay? Remember why today is significant. It's the Sunday, that is, all right? So anyway, I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MsTopacJay, and yes, I'm here with my head only. I ain't got my wig on. That's because I've got a wig that I need to try on, and I'm gonna talk so fast in this video because it's 10:52 right now, and service starts in about 25 minutes. Yes, church is only it's not too far from me, okay? So I actually received this hair from ReadyWig. Yeah, ReadyWig. They emailed me. They said they want to send me hair, and I said absolutely, why not? Thank you so much, by the way, for sending this to me. And also I'm gonna do my full face beat that I did yesterday that I absolutely loved, and you guys loved it as well on Insta story as well. And it's a combination of high-end and affordable, but more so affordable products. So I can't wait to this. So that's why I'm doing this now, okay? I'm also doing affordable wig as well. So the wig came in FedEx, and this is the box right here. Ooh, look at that. That's actually really pretty. It's a pretty pink. Look at that. And I believe they gave me a code, MsTopacJay, 8% off. I think that's the code for 8% off. I'll put every relevant link down below, by the way. So this is what the box looks like. So it comes sealed. I don't have time to be opening this. I think I might just put my wig on and then go to church and then come back and finish filming the video. It's kind of squashed a little bit. But yeah, when you open it, I haven't opened it, as you can see. You have it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Spray bottle, love that. And we've got the wig. Oh, you've got a wig cap as well. Whose cap is that for? And inside it says, I love that we met and hope you enjoyed the hair. You also have a hair care instruction. This is legit. This is really, I think they're a brand new company. Are they? If you've heard of ReadyWig already, let me know down below. And on the back, you also have the relevant links as well. Okay, that's what I do first. I smell it. And this is a synthetic wig, a lace front synthetic wig. Yeah, because I think they mainly have synthetic wigs. Oh, comes protected in the net. Nice. 10:55, we're still good for time. This feels, oh my God, I love this lace. I was actually really nervous. I was like, oh my gosh, it's not going to be enough lace. Because you know, when you hear synthetic lace front, you're like, but this is really nice, actually. Look at this. And I believe this was like either $45 or something like that. And I love the inside right here. And it's got combs right here. I'm probably going to remove that middle one. And it also comes with adjustable strap as well. And I chose this color because I really want to try this color. Look at that bounce. Let me put it on. Usually I wash my wigs before I wash my extensions and whatnot before making to a wig. But this morning I don't think we got time. Oh, that is a comfortable fit. I don't even need to use the adjustable strap. I definitely need to tweeze a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this when I get back. Like I look wrong. But this is good though. Ear to ear. Hello. Whoa, hello. All right, so I'm just gonna slap my regular wig on and go to church because it's 10:56 and then continue. Okay, we're back. What's that? A hat. Crazy funky. Okay, no. Try and look like you're a nightly we be there. We did that. We see right through your funky hat. Let's get back to it. So I'm gonna ahead and put my lashes on after coming back from church. God was amazing today. God showed out. It showed up through Pastor Brian today, and loved the message. It was really nice. So I put lashes on after coming back and top of my lip a bit, and now I've kind of taken off the wig, and this one is ready. I've tweezed it a little bit. I did show you guys just then. One thing I can say about this wig, it's really hard to tweeze, and I believe it's mainly because it's a synthetic hair, so it's like tweezing Barbie's hair. You know, like when you hold Barbie and you're like trying to. I didn't really have a lot of toys growing up, but this is like other people's Barbie that I played with. But anyway, you know, like when you're having, you kind of like really have to tug at it. That's basically what I experienced with this. But I think I was able to get it a little bit, you know, to look a little less wiggy and more less wiggy. Okay. But let's just use this cap. Why not? And then I am gonna go ahead and apply either foundation or powder. Let's test the powder with it first. Can I even see it? I can see it. Should I just put a foundation? And it's a center part. Or I should pull this up a bit more. Hey, Emma, I don't like that. Take this off, Joe. I'm so weird. I don't want you to touch my mouth because I haven't washed it yet. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Still looks quite wiggy here, don't it? It's okay. We'll be able to cover it. It looks really wiggy. I don't like how wiggy it looks. I have to keep working at it till kingdom come, you know? And I can't be bothered right now. Like with this one, you really have to like pull pieces of hair off because it's synthetic, you know what I mean? But you have to be careful too so you don't rip the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. We're gonna cut the lace. Where is the scissors? Where did you go? Let's start with the center. Okay, and I'm just gonna, you know, kind of cut in a jagged motion. We're gonna treat this thing just like we treat human hair, because why not? You know, it may not be human, but dang, it also wants to be human. And I'm cutting very close to the hairline. I will be taking out the combs because I don't need it, because the wig is pretty snug. It's got a shine to it as it, whoa, look at my face. Look at my face, man. Girl, looks nice though, doesn't it? All right, I'm gonna grab powder and just, I put too much, she says, while she puts more. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab mousse, just kind of tame flyway a little bit. This is actually a volumizing spray mousse, but it doesn't really volumize. And it's not my mousse. I don't know why I'm knocking it. It's not mine. It's Elizabeth's mousse, my sister's mousse. Ooh, yes, that tames the flyway a bit. All right, let me show you the back. I don't know if I combed the back properly, but the back is supposed to be a, you know, a cup back. I don't know what it looks like. What does it look like? Oh, yeah, see, that's how it's supposed to be. What's all of that? Oh, that's my skin. I mean, it's very nice and voluminous. You know what? I want to test the whole heat resistant claim they've got, because why not? What else do we do on this channel other than test and give opinions? This has been plugged in, so it's hot. You can see the steam. Can you? Ooh, I can hear the sizzle. Ooh, whoa. Whoa, it actually lays different when you run a straightener through it. Do you see that? This side compared to this side. I'm actually feeling it right now. The name of this wig is Brown Ombre Short Hair Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and this is 16 inches and it's currently on sale for $42.99 US. And if you use the MsTopacJay 8% off code, you get another 8% off. I don't know how long that will be for. I don't think I'm earning anything from it. It's just for you guys to have discount. We're startable under 180 degrees Celsius. I don't know how many degrees Celsius my thing is. What is this? I don't know, Jade. This is the GHD hair straightener, Sha. Please hold the call. I just remembered something. Let's put it right here. Yes. I think that looks bad. I don't know. I'm actually feeling myself a little bit. Yes. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this makeup. I'm sorry I kind of rushed through it in the morning. I don't know how much I rushed, but I know my mouth was moving faster than my brain. Okay. But I did try as much as possible to just kind of show you a little bit of the eyes, because it was mainly the eyes that you all were commenting on. Actually, I think the face as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup look, like the affordable-ish makeup and hair kind of video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And as I said in the beginning of this video, happy Easter. Okay, go to church, get your life, get it sorted. Okay, remember the real reason for the season. It's not just about the chocolate eggs, even though I've had two, and it's not just about the bunnies. Okay, it really is about when Jesus died and rose again for us. He died, and you know, to give us more grace and privilege also before God as well. So just remember that. Okay, and if you don't believe in God, just let me be me. Okay, because I'm a child of God. Thank you very much. Hallelujah. Okay, thank you so much for watching once again. As always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my very next video by God's grace. Bye bye. I didn't show you the bottom. That's what the bottom looks like. What's up? What's up? How you doing? What are you doing here? Hello, it's me. I had just come back from church and now my mic is not tall enough. It's not over. You can be free. I don't remember what I was gonna sing, but I am here to sing it, 'cause there's no difference between us. I am here with my